Hi, in today's video, we're going to play a game of revision. We're going to revise our previous two sections. So let's start by drawing a concept map of the nervous system. So the nervous system is made up of what? Divided into what, and so on. So let's try to solve this area first. So the nervous system is made up of two parts. What are the parts? We have central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. So since we are seeing here brainstem, cerebral cortex, so the central nervous system is here. And because we are seeing here automatic functions, parasympathetic, etc., so it's peripheral. So divided into what and what? And what controls automatic functions? Okay, let's see. So the peripheral nervous system composed of autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system. So let's try this. Good. So the automatic nervous system does it control automatic function and divided into parasympathetic nervous system and sympathetic nervous system? We'll see later. So the somatic nervous system regulates voluntary movement. Well, central nervous system includes with the brainstem, brain, spinal cord, consists of cerebellum, cerebrum. So let's check our answers. Good. So to review the nervous system made of peripheral nervous system, central nervous system. The central nervous system, or CNS, includes brain, brainstem, spinal cord. The spinal cord connects to the brain. Now, the brain consists of the cerebellum, cerebral cortex, and cerebrum. The peripheral nervous system, or PNS, divided into somatic nervous system, autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system controls automatic functions, divided into parasympathetic nervous system and sympathetic nervous system. Now, the somatic nervous system regulates voluntary movement. Parasympathetic nervous system prepares body for fight or flight, stay or what? We already explained this. Parasympathetic nervous system maintains normalcy, so the normal conditions. This concludes our first game revising the nervous system. So let's play the brain game. Now, the brain is studied as brain function observed without surgery. So how did we observe? Using what? Let's see. Brain is studied as what? Since here we studied as brain function, so studied as brain chemistry. Can be altered. Altered by what? Using drugs. We'll see. So, drugs can lead to addiction, can stimulate, inhibit neurotransmitters. Where? Increase during what? During action potential in the synapse. Decrease during what? Let's think. So the neurotransmitter during desensitization. So sensitization. the depressants reduce, the stimulants increase. Is it correct? Well, no. Why? Because the neurotransmitters increase during sensitization in the synapse, which decrease during the action potential desensitization. Sorry. Reduce or decrease the action potential during sensitization. It's wrong too. Check. Now it's correct. So, the brain studied as brain chemistry, which altered the brain chemistry by drugs. The drugs can lead to addiction, can stimulate or inhibit neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters increase during desensitization in the synapse, decrease during sensitization, while the drugs may be classified as stimulants or depressants. The depressants reduce action potential, while stimulants increase action potential. This concludes the brain game. Now, the third and the most exciting game. Let's see how many points can we gather. So, let's open this for 200 points. The right hemisphere of the brain controls which side of the body, left or right? Correct. 200 points. Let's try this question for 300 points. A blank hormone enters its target cell by diffusing through the cell membrane. Non-steroid or steroid? What? Is it steroid? Let's try. Correct. Let's see if we can gather 1000 points for 300 points. Which statement describes the fight or flight response? The pancreas produce hormones that regulate glucose level. The adrenal glands secretes hormone when activated by sympathetic nervous system. Well, actually, this question, we didn't reach this question yet, this section, because it's the hormone and the glands, the next section. But let's answer it anyway. Let's try to answer it. So, the fight or flight, we know this fight or flight. So, let's try this. Whoa, it's correct. The adrenal gland secretes hormones when activated by sympathetic nervous system. Now, let's try this. Where are olfactory cells located? Nose or ears? Olfactory, do you remember? Ears. No, it's noses. Let's try this. Where are the three major parts of a neuron? Organelles, dendrite, terminal, cell body, dendrite, axon. So, the neuron composed of what? Let's see this. Correct. 900 points. One more question. The sodium-potassium pump contributes directly to transmitting a message from one neuron to another at the synapse, maintaining ion gradients for an action potential to occur. What? B? Let's try B. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So this is 1000 points, and I hope we reviewed enough. Anyways, any questions you have, guys, we can discuss it during the live sessions. Have a nice time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.